I did it. I've been wanting to do this for quite some time, and I finally did it. I made treats for my dogs. I'm so excited. I found a very easy recipe. I spend so much money on treats for the dogs. I decided to just get a recipe and make them. I found one with only 4 ingredients, and I made it. And again, it was super simple. Peanut butter, flour, egg, and pumpkin. And I rolled out the flour. If you don't have a rolling pin, you can always use a bottle. And I got the cute little cookie cutters from Michael's. And it was a 6-piece set. It worked out great. And you can also use anything else you have around the house. I used a little Tupperware round container, and it worked out great. Then I just took these little toothpick things and put C's and DJs on there for Cole and DJ. Put them in a jar, and the dogs loved them. Cole loved his. DJ loved hers. Oh boy. Yeah, they're hooked. Easy peasy.